Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. I wanted to make a rating change on one of my buy recommendations. The solar ETF, the symbol is TAN. I'm going to make this brief. Let's get into it. So this is a weekly chart of TAN. And if we went back further, you'd see a huge decline in the CTF over the last 3 years or 4 years. And we had an ending diagonal pattern here into the bottom, these two converging blue trend lines, A, B, C, D, E, with an overthrow to the downside to shake everybody out. And as we broke above this confluence of moving averages and outside of our ending diagonal pattern, we got to a point where we had a positive rainbow convergence. This is a weekly chart. So each one of these candles or bars, if you don't know what candles are, they're an Eastern, uh, really used by many Asian market technicians. And when all this confluence of moving averages came together, I talked about either we would get a retracement back to that confluence, or prices would sit there until the moving averages moved up. If it came back, a type 2 convergence, and held this confluence of moving averages, it promises a higher high, and we got that. So, based on this chart, we're kind of in no man's land right now, even though there's potentially a huge amount of upside in the CTF. But let's take a look at the daily chart. We're just going to take a look at this part here. And so here we are. We got a bullish. This is, I don't know, 7 months in the making, a bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline. It suggests a $46 price projection. We're only at 42. And but so why am I going neutral? Well, the reason why I'm going neutral is I'm just looking for a pullback here. I'm not looking for anything major, but it could be 5, 6, 7%. And and with my outlook on the S&P 500, there's a chance that a lot of solar stocks or small cap stocks, they could have some weakness here. And when I look at, again, I'm going to pull out the Elliott wave theory because, again, looking at cycles and trends, I think the bullish thing here is that we definitely have a five-wave advance now in place. So we're going to look for an ABC, a three-wave correction, and then we're going to look for another five-wave advance, and that would be a third wave. And if you listen to me, third waves, I want to get in front of third waves. Second wave retracements, the three-wave retracement that would make up the second wave could be deep. Sometimes those are pretty deep. I'm not expecting that, but we do have a five-wave advance here. We got one, two. Okay, then within this third wave, we got one, two, three. Big third wave within a third wave. Four, one, two, three, four, five. So we got a third wave, got a fourth wave pullback, and now within the fifth wave, we got five waves. We got one, two, three, four, and five. We poked our head out. Now, this could be a small fourth wave consolidation, and maybe we get one more thrust upward. But I'm bringing this down to my minimum allocation. So I was up to about, I want to say 7% in the solar ETF, because the big picture, this could be a huge winner, and I have no fundamental reason why it would, with anti-green now out there. But it's also a global story, and solar is so big in Asia and other places. So uh, I'm expecting we have a five-wave advance in place. I'm expecting a three-wave decline. Maybe we come down and test 38 or something like that, and then I jump back on this. So the stop is done. I brought my holdings from 7% down to about 2%. And so I am awaiting if we get a few big down days. This is a daily chart. Each one of these candles represents a day. When we get down days, I'll be nibbling. I'll be buying some of those shares back gradually, and then I'll be looking for some reversal pattern down here if all goes according to script. So anyway, over a 2 month time, we got an 11% gain, and I'm going to protect that a little bit. If it goes up, I still have a minimal amount in. I'm okay with that. What will I do? I'll sell a little bit more, sell a little bit more on up days, and then buy heavier on down days. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Uh, you know, Give me your feedback, what I could do better, what would be helpful to you. Tell your friends and neighbors and family. Thank you. Have a great Labor Day. Adios.